Yes? Anyone has questions कि क्या और क्या? Shubhada Landge has left the meeting. Okay. Then join. Disconnect हो गए. So your offline classes have started? You're from which college, by the way? Most of you? Or rather, in which standard you are? 11th, 12th? FY? First year. First year BCom, right? Which college you are? Urvi is from 12th. Okay. Krishna also 12th. 12th, FY, ICCS. Who is that? So you're in ICCS? Yes, sir. Indira College, right? Indira College, na? Yeah. You know Clifford D'Souza, sir? Okay, okay. He's my best friend. He's my best friend. Santosh sir, right? I know three people in your college. What's her name? Marceline, madam. Santosh sir. Santosh sir teaches accounts, right? And D'Souza sir. Yeah, I know. Yeah, this year he's more in administration, right? So I've come to your college many times. I used to sit in the staff room and we used to have fun till your ex principal was there. She changed, then this lockdown also happened, so I stopped coming. Right now, I was talking with your sir. Other colleges who all are in ICCS, anyone from BMCC, of course, not Ferguson. Anyone from science background? Oh, yeah. Yes, Aishwarya Patil, Aditi Hasbabi. Okay, good. So you shifted from science to commerce. Good. Um, Anyone from what is the other college? Symbiosis, MMCC. I'm just taking little time till you all join through. That's all. Okay, we had Symbiosis 11, 12, and so we used to go for maths class then. Okay, you can go because I teach in Richard's classes, no? So that's why I was asking. Okay, who else? BMCC. No one from this side. Ajinkya Shinde joined. Good. Anyone who stays in Kothrood over here? Kothrood, Karvenagar, Port Road. No one as of now. No. After 20, I should start in 2 minutes time, okay? Because I said we can't. Because some people came after 1 hour also, so we cannot keep waiting. I'll start by 4:10. No one stays Kothrood side, Port Road. Okay. Because I stay over there, so I was asking. Anyone stays over there? Don't worry, I'm not coming your home. Okay. Mm-hmm. Slowly will start picking up. Okay, so that's the reason I was waiting because people keep joining in. 27 people are there. 130. Rohini Kulhe. Science students, you're from which college? Those who are from science, you're from which college, Yola? तभी तक Aishwarya, from which college you were? Aditi. Aditi is from Karnataka. Chate College. Okay. Vaishnavi. Chalo, I'll start being there now. I'll slowly start. So we saw, okay, we saw derivatives. One of the major things I did probably help you out was the shortcut one is if you have this one, please don't forget it. A of x plus b upon c of f of x plus d. Then what you do is just write the denominator c into f of x plus d the whole square. Take the determinant over here a b c d and into d by dx of f of x. Okay, so that's a major thing you need to remember. That's a shortcut you require. Okay, and this determinant is basically you find this as a into d minus b into c. So anyone has a question, please let me know, whatever it is. Again, before I start, okay, I have not started sharing the screen. Sorry, I'll start sharing. Actually, I was sharing previously और disconnect हो गया था, तो मुझे लगा मैं share कर रहा हूँ. Thank you. Now you can see OneNote, right?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay. Okay, so determinant AD minus BC. And again, before I start, like I did previously, if I get disconnected, please call me 9823213330. Okay, give a call and let me know I've got disconnected. Don't tell me, don't send a message. Right now, there are 7 8 messages on my WhatsApp. I'm not checked it. So please be little bit considerate. अदर मैं चले जाऊंगा आगे फिर तुमको ही समझेगा नहीं. Okay, so now with this done we will now see there are derivatives can also be solved or there are other methods of derivatives. One is implicit functions. Okay, implicit function derivatives. How to solve implicit functions derivatives? Now what are these implicit functions? So implicit functions, it's like, for example, if you take y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. I might take few examples like y is equal to log x into e raised to x minus, say I'm taking trigonometry over here, 2 sin x cos x plus say sec cube x. Okay, I'm just taking it just for representative purpose. And y is equal to say 5x plus 8 upon 7x square minus 3x plus 2. So anything of this type, if I ask you what is the value of y, you can definitely tell me y is x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, any one of you can tell me that y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. In this case, if I ask you, you will tell me y is equal to log x into e raised to x minus 2 sin x cos x plus sec cube x. In this case, you will say y is equal to 5x plus 8 upon 7x square minus 3x plus 2. But suppose I give you something like this, xy is equal to e raised to xy. Now I ask you, what is y? Okay, some of you might go to some extent and write y is equal to e raised to xy upon x, and that's not wrong. But the problem is, I'm asking you what is y, and you're telling me y in terms of y again. So you're not able to separate y in that equation. Y or x co, you're not able to separate it completely. You have not been able to separate y and x explicitly. Okay, you have not been able to. In this case, you're telling me the value of y in terms of x explicitly. This is explicit. Okay, whereas in this case you cannot tell me, or in other words, if I say x square y cube is equal to log of x plus y, what is y? You cannot answer exactly what y is. It is a similar situation, like for example, you are there are two mirrors over here, like suppose there are 2 3 4 mirrors in a place. Okay, there are 4 mirrors and you have kept an object somewhere. Okay, yeah, if the whole mirror is, or the whole place is surrounded by mirrors, you have that situation, and then you can see the images in every mirror. So exactly which is the real object? So you'll say, no, this object is actually reflected over here. So this is the reflection. So where is the real one? No, this one is reflected because of this one. So it's like in a mirror, in a mirror, in a mirror. So that's the kind of situation that happens with implicit functions. So functions in which y cannot be explicitly spoken of are called as implicit functions. Okay, these are called as implicit functions. Now we don't know how to derive or how to find the derivative of implicit functions. We know how to find the derivative of this function. ये हम लोग ढूंढ सकते हैं. इसका आंसर हमको पता है 2x minus 3 आ जाएगा. d by dx of x square is 2x, d by dx of 3x is 3, so it's 2x minus 3. We can find the derivative of this one, then derivative of this one. Abhi you all don't know, but those science students से उनको पता रहेगा. So d by dx of sec cube x, we can find it. Okay, we can find the derivative of 5x plus 8 upon 7x square minus 3x plus 2 by using the rule u upon v. तो हम लोग ढूंढ सकते हैं. But x square or xy is equal to e raised to xy. We cannot find this derivative. As of now, we don't know any method. So for that we use something called as implicit functions. Okay, उसके लिए technique हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? Very simple technique. Okay, and that is, see, you have suppose x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation that has been given to you, and you have been asked to find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Is anyone still hanging in? No. Okay, how many people have come? 37 are there. So more 13, 14 are supposed to come. So I have to find dy by dx. So what is done is you treat it like this. इसमें एक चीज है, उतना याद रखो, that whenever you have to find d by dx of say y square, okay, d by dx of y square, these variables are different. One is x, the other is y. So d by dx of y square जब भी ढूंढना है, so you treat it as if you are finding with respect to y, d by dy of y square, and then you multiply it with dy by dx. Okay, so this will become 2y into dy by dx. Someone is coming. Tanvi. Okay, just 1 minute. Let me close this door. For all the students, Diwali vacation has started, so they're all playing. So there's a little bit disturbance. Okay. Okay, so whenever you're finding d by dx of y square, for example, you find this derivative as if you're finding with respect to y, and then you multiply with dy by dx. So you don't need to learn so much. It's very simple. Suppose you want to find again d by dx of y cube. then what you do is you find this, इसका डेरिवेटिव कितना आता था, 3y square nx raised to n minus 1, 3y square, and then you multiply by dy by dx. This is a standard procedure you have to remember. Okay, so suppose you are finding d by dx of 5 raised to y. The formula is d by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. So this will be 5 raised to y log 5, but then multiply it with dy by dx. Okay, this is the procedure. Anything d by dx of e raised to y square minus 7y. So you will have this as e raised to y square minus 7y into, just someone is coming. Okay, e raised to y square minus 7y, क्योंकि डेरिवेटिव इसका इतना ही रहता है, d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x only, and then you multiply it by dy by dy. That means d by dy of y square minus 7y. Okay, now see, you won't get so many complicated things. They ask you simple things, इतना भी complicate नहीं करते. When it comes, we will see it. Okay, so ये इसका आंसर आ जाएगा e raised to y square minus 7y into 2y, derivative of y square is 2y minus 7, तो ये 2y into dy by dx. Either you can see that I've used that same thing, d by dy of y square is 2y dy by dx, and this is 7 dy by dx. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Take its derivative, multiply it by dy by dx. Take the derivative, multiply by dy by dx whenever it's an implicit function. Otherwise you don't have to worry only. If it is y is equal to x square plus 3, तो ये तो dy by dx by default रह ही जाता है, dy by dx. Okay, so you don't have to worry. It's only when it becomes y square, you will write it as 2y dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 0. That's all. Okay, so let's take some very easy example. I'll take absolutely easy example. Say x square plus y square is equal to 25. Science students, can you tell me what does this equation represent? Let's test. Aishwarya and Aditi, what does that equation represent? Just as a test. आते रहेंगे तो ठीक, नहीं तो नहीं. No, you can't remember, that's fine. Anyways, it represents a circle. Okay, it represents a circle with center at origin, radius equal to 5. ठीक, that's the end of the story. Now, इसका derivative लेना है ना, तो we take the derivative on both the sides, d by dx of x square plus y square, and this is equal to d by dx of 25. This is how you find its derivative. Okay, so first thing you have to remember is दोनों side पे derivative लेना है, and then you take the derivatives both side लेके, you have to remember that whenever y function comes like y square, you are going to write it as 2y dy by dx. This is what you have to remember. So अभी d by dx of पहले x square आएगा. d by dx of x square, I gave you the formula in the morning. It is 2x. Okay, and this one d by dx of y square, I just now showed you, it is 2y dy by dx. And derivative of a constant, that's the best person on earth, is 0. Okay, so therefore 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. So shift all the non dy by dx terms on the right hand side. Okay, and then finally you will get dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon 2y. That's done. So 2 and 2 cancels, and what you get is minus x upon y. Right? So that's one problem we did. We'll do more. Is everyone understanding this? Little at least. If not everything. If not everything, little. We go step by step. We don't go like एक झटके में सब कुछ समझना चाहिए. Okay. Okay. That means people are understanding. Good. Okay, Shobit is saying nice. Okay, चलो आज चलाते हैं, लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है तो Mogambo खुश हो गया. Okay, people call me Mogambo. That's you are asking me to tell me something about yourself. So people call me Mogambo. Okay, because I'm a villain when I teach. Normal 11th standard, 12th standard, I'm a villain. मुझे काम करके लेना है दोनों से, तो करना पड़ता है. So x cube plus 3xy plus y square is equal to 13. I'm just taking anything and random. ये अभी तुम्हारे बुक में तो है नहीं, मैं ऐसे ले रहा हूँ. ओके, ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स है बट थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस ले रहा हूँ, देन हम लोग शॉर्टकट भी देख लेंगे. सो अब इसका डेरिवेटिव्स ले लेंगे. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 13. तो एक प्रॉब्लम जरा डिटेल में लिख लेंगे. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स क्यूब प्लस डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 3xy प्लस डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 13. ओके, सो देयरफॉर डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स क्यूब, ये तो भी हमारे लिए बच्चे का खेल है, ये एक्स रेज टू एन है. सो इट इज एन एक्स रेज टू एन माइनस वन, 3 माइनस वन 2. ये इजी हो गया. ये 3 को बाहर निकाल देने का, डिवाइड एंड रूल. 3 इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स वाई प्लस डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर, ये तो ताजा तवाना आप भी सीखे हम लोग. सो दिस इज 2y dy by dx, एंड ये हमारा दोस्त है 13 is always a constant, so it's 0. Okay, so therefore 3x square plus this is 3, and now this is a product rule. It's a product rule, so it's first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Okay, plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, तो और एक दो तीन स्टेप्स लगेंगे. हम क्या हम पेपर में ऐसे सॉल्व करने वाले हैं? नो. दिस इज, यू शुड नो द लॉन्गर मेथड, पता होना चाहिए. सो x इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ x, तो ये तो हमको पता है 1 आता है. ओके, प्लस 2y डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0. Oh, Mansi. Is there. So this is 3x square plus 3x dy by dx plus 3y plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now what is the procedure? All dy by dx terms keep it on left hand side and all other terms take it on the right hand side. तो dy by dx terms ये है और ये है, तो इसको इधर ही रखो. 3x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square minus 3y. I prefer to do it like this. ये माइनस लिख देना है एंड जो कुछ है उसके साइन के साथ लिख देना है. 3x square 3y प्लस के साथ लिख देना है, झंझट कम रहता है. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी वेदर यू हैव चेंज द साइन और नॉट. जो है वैसे के वैसे लिख देना है, ब्रैकेट में डाल देना है एंड माइनस साइन डाल देना है. हो गया, खत्म, नो झंझट. ओके, नाउ इधर 3 dy by dx कॉमन ले सकते हैं. सो वी कैन टेक dy by dx कॉमन, सो इट विल बी 3x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 3y. And so finally we get what is dy by dx. dy by dx is minus of 3x square plus 3y divided by 3x plus 2y. Answer आ गया. Okay, very simple. Okay, so it's not hard. थोड़ा practice लगता है. Now that is where the problem is. Okay, जो थोड़ा हम लोग practice लगता है बोलते हैं, उधर ही main problem रहता है. Let's take one more. This is one standard form of this equation: x square plus 5xy plus 3y square plus, or gx Dipanshu Jadhav. plus 2y plus 7x plus 12. Anything, I'm just taking any numbers. Plus 12 is equal to 0. I'll give you a shortcut to do this. Okay, but the long cut method सिखाना उतना ही important है. You should know it. Because in the paper, shortcut भूल गए तो घर ही भूल जाएंगे ना तुम. मतलब मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा घर जाना कैसे. So you should know some way out. So now this will be same. You take the derivative d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 5xy plus d by dx of 3y square plus d by dx of 2y plus d by dx of 7x plus d by dx of 12, which is equal to 0. So therefore d by dx of x square is 2x plus 5 into d by dx of xy plus 3 into, please make sure you're writing with me, okay, d by dx of y square plus 2 into d by dx of y plus 7 into d by dx of x, and d by dx of 12 is 0, is equal to 0. So therefore 2x plus 5, and this is product. So x into dy by dx, first function into derivative of second, plus second function into derivative of first, plus 3. This is ताजा तवाना, वो एक गाना है ना ऋतिक रोशन का, ताजा ताजा कली के लिए हम तो उसके दीवाने हैं. सो डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर, सो ये ताजा ताजा कली है, इसको ले लो 3 इंटू 2y dy by dx प्लस ये वैसे ही रहेगा 2 इंटू dy by dx एंड प्लस 7 इंटू 1 प्लस 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो why people are joining so late? एकता has come. एकता आया या एकता आली. चला कोणतरी आली. So therefore 2x, okay, now don't joke, don't feel bad if I joke on your name or something like that. I say time pass kar raha hu. Okay, there is no personal enmity we have. So x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x, which is 1. Okay, plus 3 into 2y is 6. So this is plus 6. ये एक टाइम गलत हो गया ना, सब कुछ चालू हो जाता गलत फिर. Okay, 6 into 6y into dy by dx plus 2 dy by dx plus 7 is equal to 0. Now all dy by dx terms together and take dy by dx common. So all dy by dx. So this is one dy by dx term, this is the other guy, and this is the third guy. So 3 guys dy by dx terms. So we have 5x plus 6y plus 2 and into dy by dx plus. I'm writing these terms, but I'm going to shift them later on to the left hand side, right hand side. 2x plus 5 into y. So it's 2x plus 5y, and this guy over here 7. So plus 7 is equal to 0. And so therefore 5x plus 6y plus 2 into dy by dx is equal to, am I going fast? Am I going fast? I sometimes don't recognize. Anyone who feels I'm going too fast? No, Arjun is saying no.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So minus, and now this whole fellow, okay, this whole guy, okay, treat it like one person shifted on the right hand side. So instead of writing minus 2x minus 5y minus 7, minus of 2x plus 5y plus 7. Errors are almost minimized. So if it was 2x minus 5y plus 7 also, you don't have to worry whether you have changed the sign or not, because of minus के साथ जाएगा. Like it was 2x minus 5y plus 7, suppose. When you write it, it would be minus of 2x minus 5y plus 7. So साइन चेंज किया नहीं किया का संबंध ही नहीं आता, बिकॉज इधर माइनस जब लिख दिया मैंने तो साइन चेंज कर दिया, बाकी का टर्म पूरा का पूरा कॉपी कर लिया। ओके, सो देयरफॉर dy by dx is equal to minus of 2x plus 5y plus 7 divided by 5x plus 6y plus 2, and that's the answer. Now how many of you are little bit understanding or not? some लोग क्या चल रहा है क्या मालूम, क्या कचरा कर रहे हैं क्या मालूम, पूरा स्क्रीन पे सिर्फ कचरा दिख रहा है, x y z, god knows what is happening. How will we solve this in the paper when such a question comes? How do we solve it? And the answer is we may not necessarily follow this whole method. We can do some shortcuts. Okay, so now we will catch the shortcut. बट ये मालूम होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर शॉर्टकट में कंफ्यूज हो गए तो वी शुड हैव दिस वे आउट कि ये ऐसा है। ओके, तो अभी शॉर्टकट के लिए हम लोग पहला प्रॉब्लम लिया था एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, विल टेक दैट फर्स्ट। एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 25 वी टुक। व्हाट इज द आंसर वी गॉट? dy by dx is equal to how much? We got the answer minus, what was it? Minus x by y, correct na?
Yes.
Okay, we got this answer. ये क्या हो गया? So we got this answer. Now we will try and see how we can get this answer directly. Okay, तो इसका भी हम लोग को आंसर डायरेक्टली चाहिए, तो पहले dy by dx लिखो, ओके, देन इक्वल टू लिखो, फिर माइनस साइन लिखो। ओके, now what you do is you differentiate this equation, okay, by first considering the y terms. जो y terms है वो constant है. Imagine as if y is constant. So I'll shade this little bit. Y is right now constant. It is like 25. Okay. So अगर वो 20, it's like 25 constant है, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव अभी लिखना शुरू करो. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 2x. So ये 2x मैंने लिख दिया. Then derivative of y square is 0 now. It's now 0 because I am considering y square to be constant. इसलिए वो temporarily 0 है. So what you do, you write minus sign and in the numerator you take the entire derivative. Okay, but ये लेने के पहले you have to do one job. You have to take everything on the left hand side. So you write it as x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. Now you take this one's derivative जो मैंने लिया 2x. अभी मैं डेरिवेटिव y स्क्वायर का ले रहा हूं एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग 2y dy by dx जो हम लोग कर रहे थे, that was there, that is true, that is in terms of the long method. बट अभी शॉर्ट मेथड में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, dy by dx of y square we will consider as if y is a constant. Okay, we will think of y as a constant and if it's a constant then the derivative is 0. And so ये 0 आ जाएगा and derivative of 25 is also 0. So 0 minus 0. Okay, divided by, अभी वही चीज, इसका डेरिवेटिव वापस लेना है but now consider x to be constant. Okay, so now when x becomes constant, derivative of x square will become 0. Derivative of y square will be only 2y. Don't write 2y dy by dx, only 2y. Now don't write 2y into dy by dx. Shortcut method में नहीं लिखना है. Okay, and derivative of 25 is 0. तो ये तुम्हारा आंसर आ गया minus 2x upon 2y. This cancels and the answer is minus x by y. Okay, so that's the first one. हम लोग और भी लेंगे, थोड़े से प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे हम लोग. ये फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम हो गया. ओके, नाउ द वन वी डिड राइट नाउ, ये जो इतना बड़ा झोल झमेला किया मैंने, तो ये प्रॉब्लम वी विल ट्राई एंड डू दिस. ओके, मैं फर्स्ट वन क्यों लिया, क्योंकि वो इजी था, इसका भी आंसर है अपने पास. सो वी हैव दिस आंसर but we need the question. The question is only gone. See, such a long method I did. If you sit and do this method, ये इतना बड़ा करते बैठोगे तो तुमको पूरा पेपर में 4 ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. हमको ये फाउंडेशन क्लियर करना है, फाउंडेशन बनाते नहीं रहना है. ओके ना, सो वी डोंट वांट टू सिट एंड मेक अ फाउंडेशन, बना रहे फाउंडेशन बना रहे. तो वी वांट टू क्लियर इट, वी डोंट वांट टू सिट ओवर देयर. सो दिस इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल, बट अगर तुम्हारा पेपर जल्दी खत्म हो गया है तो देन दिस इज यूजफुल कि ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रहा तो लॉन्ग मेथड से तो वो कर लिया. नाउ let's do this same thing over here. So I'll change this color. Let's take it this color, red. Okay, so now first is iska answer x step mein dy by dx. You saw how many steps we took, but now we'll do it in one step. Dy by dx minus sign likh lo. Okay, then you need straight line, denominator divide karta hai to itna likh lo. Okay, now we will take this one's derivatives. ओके, तभी डेरिवेटिव्स के लिए विल फर्स्ट ट्रीट y कांस्टेंट. न्यूमरेटर में डेरिवेटिव लेना है बट इट इज y कांस्टेंट. ओके, एंड इन द डिनोमिनेटर x कांस्टेंट. ठीक है, सो व्हेन आई टेक y कांस्टेंट, सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 2x. ओके, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 5xy जब मैं लेने जाता हूं, then 5 is a constant, y is also a constant, so it functions like how constants function, like d by dx of 5y 5x लेना है तो what is the answer? 5 into d by dx of x, या 5x square लेना है तो 5 into d by dx of x square होता है. So in this case we will consider 5y constant, so it comes outside the derivative sign. 5y into derivative of x, which is 1. Okay, now next we go over here 3y square. Okay, so now y is a constant, so y square is a constant, 3y square is a constant, so iska derivative 0 aa jayega, so it will be plus 0. Again this is all y terms only, so 2 into this will be 0, so this is also derivative is 0. And then this is 7x, so this is plus 7 into d by dx of x, so that is 1, so that is 7, and this is plus 12, which is 0. Okay, then the same thing I have to do for in the denominator, so I'll rub these things off. चलेगा, जादू जादू है तेरा ही जादू. ओके, नाउ अभी इधर नीचे डेरिवेटिव लेना है तो इसके लिए अभी क्या करेंगे, x we will consider to be constant. Okay, so x is constant यानी कि इसका डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 0. Here now again x is constant, so 5x comes outside. Okay, 5x बाहर आ जाएगा and derivative of y is to be taken as 1. Don't write dy by dx, it will be taken as 1 because you're differentiating with respect to y. नीचे तुम डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y ले रहे हो, ऊपर तुम डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x ले रहे हो. ओके, यू आर टेकिंग इन अबाउ द डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x कंसिडरिंग y कांस्टेंट. In the denominator take derivative with respect to y considering x to be constant. So d by dy of y is 1 और ये 5x बाहर आ गया, so it's plus 5x. Okay, now this one's derivative 3y square, so try and see what will be d by dy of 3y square. The answer is going to be 3 into d by dy of y square, which is 3 into 2y. Again I'm saying don't write over here 2y dy by dx, a shortcut method है, इधर मत लिखना. In any case this is with respect to y, so उसका आंसर वैसे भी सिर्फ 2y ही आता है. It does not become 2y dy by dx, it's d by dx of y square, which is 2y by dy by dx. d by dy of y square is 2y only, it's not 2y dy by dx in any case. So ये 6y हो जाएगा, so ये आंसर आ गया 6y. अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव 2 into dy by dy, it's 2 into dy by dy, so that is 2 into 1, which is 2. So right over here, plus 2. This is 7x, but x is a constant in the denominator, so this will be 0. So this will be plus 0, and d by dx d by dy of 12, which is a constant, so ये 0 है. अभी इसको तुम एक साथ ले लो. This is minus of 2x plus 5y plus 7 divided by 5x plus 6y plus 2. हो गया आंसर. Is that good? See, we got the same answer. It's the same answer. This answer and this answer is same. Okay, same problem, but we can do it by different method. Okay, so let's take one more problem जो ऊपर लिया था हमने, और एक जाके कर लेंगे हम लोग शॉर्टकट मेथड से. हम लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. ओके, ये प्रॉब्लम जो कुछ था इसका आंसर अभी देख के लो क्या है, हम लोग उसके हिसाब से फिर सॉल्व कर लेंगे. उसके हिसाब से नहीं, वो जब आएगा तो हमको समझ में आएगा. वी टुक सच अ लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर, करेक्ट. इतना बड़ा लिया dy by dx, एक पेज हमारा चलेगा. तो सर ने मैंने तुम्हारा एक पेज वेस्ट किया, सो 50 पैसे पेनल्टी, बिकॉज वी कैन डू इट इन वन लाइन. This question can be done in one line. How do you do it? You write dy by dx is equal to, and then you write minus sign, and then you write this one. ये तो you can tell it this to your younger brother in 3rd standard. He'll also do this much. Okay, इतना तो कोई भी कर सकता है, right? अभी ऊपर क्या करना है? Derivative with respect to x. Okay, remember dy by dx. We sometimes write it like this. It's minus deba m by deba x. So that means you're taking derivative with respect to x, keeping y as constant, and this is deba m by deba y. That is keeping taking derivative with respect to y, keeping x as constant. Okay, it's written in formal languages. It's written like this. और डब्बा नहीं है, वो डेबा है. It's a Greek letter and so on. ठीक है, जिसको चाहिए एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन उसके लिए, उसको नहीं चाहिए भूल जाओ. सो माइनस साइन लिख लिया. नाउ आई हैव टू टेक द डेरिवेटिव इन द न्यूमरेटर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. ओके, रिमेंबर हियर इन द न्यूमरेटर इट इज, आई विल राइट दिस फॉर्मूला समवेयर. इसको हम लोग वर्ड फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे फॉर्मूला को. ओके, सो दैट यू विल रिमेंबर. कैसे मुझे वो आदत है डे बाय एम बाय डे बाय एक्स एंड ऑल, तो इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स सब वैसे ही चलते रहते हैं. So हम लोग इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे. ये whenever it's implicit function dy by dx is equal to minus differentiate with respect to x keeping y constant. And in the denominator differentiate with respect to y keeping x constant. Okay, इतना याद रखोगे तो तुम्हारा काम आसान हो जाएगा. बट मेक श्योर यू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट. ओके, पेपर में गलती नहीं करना है. मेक श्योर यू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट. सो वी टेक दिस x क्यूब. तो अभी x क्यूब पहले न्यूमरेटर में डेरिवेटिव लेना है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. ओके, बट y कांस्टेंट है, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 3x square. ओके, देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 3xy लेना है मुझे, 3xy. सो इसमें y कांस्टेंट है, यानी कि 3y बाहर आ जाता है. इट्स 3y into d by dx of x. So that is 3y only. So it will be plus 3y. Okay, and ये तो y है, तो ये तो कांस्टेंट है. So derivative of a constant is constant, which is 0. एंड ये ओके, आई फॉरगॉट वन स्टेप, ये -13 करना चाहिए था, इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सब पहले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ले लो, फिर डेरिवेटिव लो. ओके, सो दिस इज प्लस 0. सो और कुछ है नहीं इधर. नाउ द सेम इक्वेशन यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y कीपिंग x एज अ कांस्टेंट. सो इफ x इज कांस्टेंट देन इसका डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 0, बिकॉज ये अभी कांस्टेंट है. सो ये 0 आ गया. देन 3x इज द कांस्टेंट. Okay, so you'll have plus 3x, and derivative of y with respect to y is 1 only, so it's 3x, and derivative of y square is 2y, so it will be plus 2y, and there is your answer. Okay, वो अभी 0 0 निकाल दो उधर से. If you remove 0 and 0 from here, okay, and if you put this bracket over here and इसको थोड़ा सा इस तरफ लेके आओगे तो ये तुम्हारा आंसर आ गया, -3x square plus 3y upon 3x plus 2y. Okay, see this, -3x square plus 3y upon 3x plus 2y. We've done that same problem. ठीक है, so this is how you solve implicit functions. Okay, one last problem I'll take on my own, then we'll check from your books also. So let's take x cube minus 5x square y square plus 7x cube y raised to, what should I take, 4 plus 8x square y is equal to 7x cube y plus 7 or some other number, 10x y raised to 4. Okay, anything absolutely random. Okay, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव ढूंढना है, तो दैट्स फाइन, नो इश्यूज. व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज x क्यूब माइनस 5x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर प्लस 7x क्यूब y स्क्वायर प्लस 8x स्क्वायर y माइनस 7x क्यूब y माइनस 10x y रेज टू 4 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो तुम क्या कर सकते हो शॉर्टकट करने के लिए, इधर न्यूमरेटर में जो आएगा वो तुमको लिखना है, तो राइट न्यूमरेटर, इसके डेरिवेटिव्स लिखते जाओ. x cube, you are going to consider y constant, so इसका डेरिवेटिव है 3x square. इधर 5y square constant है, so it's 5y square will be constant and minus sign है, and derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, then over here 7y square will be constant, so it will be plus 7y square, and derivative of x cube will be 3x square. Okay, here again 8y is the constant because y has to be considered as constant, and derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, here again y is constant, so minus 7y, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. Here again 10y raised to 4 becomes constant, 10y raised to 4, and derivative of x is 1 is equal to 0. तो इसको कुछ नहीं करना, ये तुम्हारा न्यूमरेटर आ गया, बट माइनस साइन के साथ आएगा, सो माइनस ऑफ दिस होल थिंग. ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय अभी डिनोमिनेटर. Okay, so denominator is going to be same terms, but now I'll have to somehow delete these things. ये इधर से जाओ, ये जाओ. ओके, अगर ये फिर भी नहीं समझा तो एक दो बार रिकॉर्ड वापस देख लेना. सी द टाइम दैट इज राइट नाउ, वी स्टार्टेड एट 4 o'clock, करेक्ट ना? सो अभी टाइम क्या चल रहा है? द टाइम राइट नाउ 4:50. सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली आफ्टर 40 मिनट्स का वीडियो देखने का, आफ्टर 40 मिनट्स यू कैन सी व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. उसके पहले तो हम लोग टाइम पास ही कर रहे थे. सो देन दिस इज डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज differentiate that same equation, but now keeping x as constant. So when x is constant, इसका डेरिवेटिव तो 0 आता है, so 0 ले लिया. x constant है तो ये 5x square आ जाएगा, minus 5x square, and derivative of y square will be 2y because it's with respect to y. Okay, again over here plus sign, and then this is 7x cube, this becomes constant, 7x cube, and d by dy of y square will be 2y, so I have written 2y. Then 8x square is constant, so this is plus 8x square, and d by dy of y, which is 1, okay, minus 7x cube, ये constant आएगा, and d by dy of y is 1, okay, minus 10x कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, माइनस 10x इसलिए बाहर आता है, d by dy of y raised to 4, and that is 4y cube. ओके, फिर बाद में इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके जो कुछ सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगा. इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आता नहीं है, बट आई टुक अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वन सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. कि एक इसमें 10-12 टर्म्स है, so you understand हाँ ये हो रहा है. Then further you multiply this 5 into 2 becomes 10x y square and all, so that you can complete. ठीक है, so ये एक मेथड है. So this is a very useful method, don't forget it. Okay, ये हम लोग यूज करने वाले थोड़ी देर में. ये implicit functions हो गया. Now there is something called as logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic. Yes.
Why are we always taking the minus sign in the numerator? Is there specific reason
Yeah,
for it.
because of formula आता है वैसे. It's a proved fact that dy by dx happens to be equal to minus of deba m by deba x upon deba m by deba y. ओके, उसका ये फॉर्मूला ही ऐसा है, इसका पैटर्न ही ऐसा आता है.
Okay.
तो फॉर्मूला के टाइप है, इसलिए लेना पड़ता है माइनस.
Okay. Okay.
सो वी कांट गो इन सो मच डिटेल वो माइनस साइन क्यों आता है, बिकॉज फिर वो उसका प्रूफ दिखाना पड़ेगा. सो लोगैरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन, हाउ टू फाइंड लोगैरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. कभी लोगैरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन कभी यूज होता है व्हेन अ एक्सप्रेशन इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. एक्सप्लिसिट ही रहता है, बट you can have implicit also, but generally explicit, and it's very complicated expression. Like for example, y is equal to root of 3x square minus 7x plus 2 raised to 7 by 8 divided by 7x cube minus 4x plus 1 raised to 5 into 3x square minus 3 raised to 13, something like that. Okay, it's very complicated. इसका डेरिवेटिव कौन निकालेगा? पागल हो क्या मैं ऐसा काम करने के लिए? इफ यू ट्राई टू डू दैट, dy by dx is 1 by 2 root x, and then you will have to find the derivative inside of this term. तो ये जब इनसाइड लेने जाओगे तो u by v यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो छोड़ दो, who is going to do such problem? ओके, हम लोग ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व ही नहीं कर सकते. फिर मीन्स वो कर सकते हैं, बट बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. सो इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, वी यूज लोगैरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. व्हेनेवर दिस प्रॉब्लम्स कम ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वैल्यू, वी यूज लोगैरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. तो उसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, तो लेट्स फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव y इज इक्वल टू 3x plus 5 raised to 5 by 3 into 7x plus 2 raised to 2 by 7 upon, I'll take say 3x square minus 7 raised to 3 into 2x raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 4. Okay, any numbers on random I have written down, and इसका भी हमको डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. So the method that is normally taught is like this, कि ये log y लेना है. Okay, इसको log y लेना है, and when you take log y, what will happen is you will get okay, one more thing before this, one more thing. This is one place where we use logarithmic differentiation, but there is another place. Second method is second position is when you have y is equal to x raised to x. If you have y is equal to x raised to x, तो अभी हम लोग इसका डेरिवेटिव कैसे निकालेंगे? Because we can't use the formula x raised to n. x raised to n जो formula है, it says x is the variable, n is a constant. Okay, so this is not like that. It's not variable raised to constant. This is in the form variable raised to variable. Okay, we cannot use the formula a raised to x because this is constant raised to variable. X raised to n is variable raised to constant. But the pattern given to me is variable raised to variable. Constant raised to constant, no problem. A constant है, इसका derivative 0 आ जाता है. Okay, but this one x raised to x is variable raised to variable. X raised to f of x, it's variable raised to variable. F of x raised to x, it's variable raised to variable. And f of x raised to g of x, this is also variable raised to variable. Okay, तो ये सब टाइप के लिए what we do is we use logarithmic differentiation. ओके, तो ये लोगैरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन कैसे जाता है? सो लेट्स टेक फॉर एग्जांपल ये प्रॉब्लम के लिए वी विल कंसीडर log y. ओके, एंड दिस विल बी log ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज ना आई एम कटिंग ऑफ दिस टू वैल्यूज फ्रॉम हियर. मैं इसको कट कर रहा हूं ताकि मैं जल्दी से सिखा सकूं. सो इट्स log ऑफ 3x plus 5 raised to 5 by 3 upon 3x square minus 7 raised to 3. Okay, so I'm just cutting it short so that I can explain you quickly. So this is equal to log of 3x plus 5 raised to 5 by 3 minus log of 3x square minus 7 raised to 3. ये law होता है log m by n. I gave you before. So this is log m minus log n. ओके अभी देखो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है. ओके things are going to little bit be difficult, so bear up, specifically those who uh, are from non maths background, थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा, but bear it, because if you can bear this then you can solve it. Okay, so this is 5 by 3 log of 3x plus 5, plus I'll give you shortcut also, minus 3 into log of 3x square minus 7. ओके ये जो लॉ दिया था मैंने, log a रेज टू m इज m log a. ठीक है, अभी ये log y आ गया है. नाउ व्हाट वी डू इज वी टेक द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस एंटायर इक्वेशन. तो व्हेन वी टेक द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log y, so it is with respect to x. Okay, it is with respect to x we take the derivative, so that's why it becomes 1 upon y dy by dx. Okay, this becomes 5 by 3, and this is d by dx of log of 3x plus 5 minus 3 into d by dx of log of 3x square minus 7. Just write this because I'll give you shortcut immediately. 1 minute. So therefore 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 5 by 3, and d by dx of log 3x plus 5 we have seen in the morning, it should be 1 upon 3x plus 5, and inside a burger khana hai humko, so d by dx of 3x plus 5. है ना, राइट लाइक दिस प्रॉब्लम्स है ना, ये डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ लॉग 3x प्लस 5 इसको 10 बार लिखो. इट्स 1 अपॉन 3x प्लस 5 इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 3x प्लस 5, 1 अपॉन 3x प्लस 5 इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 3x प्लस 5. बिकॉज वो 3x प्लस 5 के जगह पे कुछ भी आएगा तो भी वही करना है. ओके, माइनस 3 इधर भी वही करना है. इट्स 3 इंटू 1 अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 7 इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 7. ओके. Okay, when I give you shortcut you will like it. So this is equal to, so ये अभी dy by dx 1 upon y, एक step लिख लेता हूँ, is 5 upon 3, I'll write this 5 upon 3 upon 3x plus 5 into d by dx of 3x plus 5. So d by dx of 3x will be 3 into d by dx of x, 3 into d by dx of x plus d by dx of 5. So d by dx of x is 1, so it's 3 into 1, and d by dx of constant 5 is 0. Okay, minus this is 3 upon 3x square minus 7 into d by dx of 3x square minus 7, so it's d by dx of 3x square minus d by dx of 7. D by dx of 3x square, 3 will come out and you'll have d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square is 2x, so it becomes 3 into 2x, which is 6x, and minus d by dx of 7, which is 0. Okay, so this comes like this. तो ये इसका आंसर आ गया, इधर ऑलमोस्ट हो गया आंसर, and then the shortcut is much easier. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, ये y अभी इधर आ जाएगा. Okay, so write this y all over and then y into the entire multiple. So it is minus 5 by 3 into 3. This is 3 into 1 plus 0 is 3 divided by 3x plus 5. Okay, minus ये 3 upon ये 3 into 6x है. So it's 3 into 6x divided by 3x square minus 7. ओके, एंड इन द फाइनल एनालिसिस यार जो y दिया था वो y पूरा का पूरा वापस लिखना है. सो व्हाट इज दैट एंटायर y वी हैड, वेयर इज इट गॉन, log of, no, where is it, 3x plus 5 raised to 5 by 3, this one. Okay, 3x plus 5 raised to 5 by 3 upon 3x square minus 7 raised to 3. So 3x plus 5 raised to 5 by 3 divided by 3x square minus 7 raised to 3 into, I'm writing this right now, minus 5 by 3 into 3. Of course, in the paper, 3 will cancel. Divided by 3x plus 5 minus 18x upon, yeah, see 3 into 6x, 3 into 6x divided by 3x square minus 7. So this is the answer. Of course, in the final answer, 3 will cancel, 3 into 6 will become 18x and all. But at present, I say likh raha hu. Okay, this is the answer, dy by dx. Now again, you will say, oh, who is going to do this? Forget it. One mark, who spends so much time? And that's true. Who spends so much time in doing something like this? एक मार्क के लिए कौन ये करेगा? जब 12th में आता है क्वेश्चन तो एटलीस्ट यू गेट 3 मार्क्स 4 मार्क्स, तो कुछ तो अच्छा तो भी लगता है. ओके, ठीक है, 3 मार्क का है तो इतना लिखा तो 3 मार्क्स मिल गया, 4 मार्क्स मिल गया, you get something. But if you're going to get 1 mark and you have to solve so much, you may as well as forget it. So the answer would be forget it. But we will have a shortcut to deal with this. And what is that shortcut? Okay, तो ये शॉर्टकट है क्या? तो अभी हम लोग शॉर्टकट देखेंगे विदाउट स्पेंडिंग टू मच टाइम विद दिस प्रॉब्लम्स. तो इसका शॉर्टकट कैसे आएगा? ये टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, एट प्रेजेंट ये निकाल देता हूं मैं इधर से. ओके, सो दिस वन, ओह गॉड, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड? ये हैंग हो गया वन नोट फॉर 1 मिनट, वेट. ओके, सो ये क्वेश्चन है. ओके, now see, to find this kind of answer, ये जब logarithmic differentiation ऐसा complicated values raised to powers है, तो what you do is you write this dy by dx लिख लो. ओके, जो क्वेश्चन दिया है वो भी लिख लो. 3x plus 5 raised to 5 by 3 divided by 3x square minus 7 raised to 3, ये भी लिख लिया. ओके, तो आधा आंसर आ गया हमारा, राइट. नाउ उसके बाद एक ब्रैकेट लिख लो, राइट. नाउ इसका जो पावर है वो पावर लिखो न्यूमरेटर में 5 by 3, एंड ये जो टर्म है इसको लिखो डिनोमिनेटर में 3x plus 5. ओके, जस्ट डू दैट. एंड ये जो टर्म है, दिस टर्म, इसका डेरिवेटिव इधर d by dx of 3x plus 5. ओके, Similar, the same thing you do with this one. इसका जो पावर है वो लिख लो 3 divided by जो टर्म है 3x square minus 7 into the derivative of that term d by dx of 3x square minus 7, and ये ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर दो. अभी सवाल है प्लस एंड माइनस साइंस, तो if it's a numerator power this value will be positive. If it's a denominator power then the value will be negative, and then complete the job. So ये term ऐसे क्या ऐसे आ गया? This is 5 by 3 upon 3x plus 5. Derivative of 3x plus 5, as I explained before, is 3 minus 3 upon 3x square minus 7, and derivative of 3x square minus 7, just like we saw before, is 6x. तो ये आ गया तुम्हारा आंसर जो हम लोग ने वो मेथड से किया था. That same answer we have got. That's why I kept that answer little bit in that same form, minus 5 by 3 and so on. ये माइनस किधर से आया? इधर ये मेरी गलती से आ गया minus 5. I don't know how that minus came. I don't know from where it came. गलती से आ गया. It's 5 by 3. It's not there. It's not minus 5. Is not there. No question on that. Okay. वो कुछ तो दिखते समय वो इधर डैश आ गया रहेगा तो माइनस साइन कंटिन्यू हो गया, but there is no minus sign over there. ठीक है? It's not there. ये -3 into 6x, that is correct. ये नहीं है. ओके, सो ये आ गया तुम्हारा दूसरा प्रॉब्लम एकदम आराम से, नो झंझट, नो इश्यूज. हर्ष जादव, हर्ष, व्हाट इज द टाइम? 1 hour already done. Okay, this is logarithmic differentiation. So let's take one more example. Say y is equal to root of 7 minus 3x the whole square into 2 plus, yeah, hang हो गया. Oh god, it got hanged. Two plus 7x raised to 5 and divided by 5x plus 8 raised to 4. Okay, so I'm taking anything and let's find this one's value. So dy by dx क्या रहेगा? dy by dx पहले ये टर्म ऐसे क्या ऐसे लिख लो, रूट ऑफ, ये लोगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन का प्रॉब्लम है बट वी आर राइटिंग इट डायरेक्टली. सो रूट ऑफ 7 minus 3x the whole square into 2 plus 7x raised to 5 divided by 5x plus 8 the whole thing raised to 4 and then bracket. ओके, तो अभी सबसे पहले ये जो रूट है ना, इसका पावर तुमको लिखना पड़ेगा सबसे पहले, इसका पावर, एंड दैट पावर इज हाफ. सो राइट हाफ, okay, into, so this half will be multiplying again with everything. Okay, so half into, तो ये हाफ है ना, ये जो हाफ है तुम इधर भी लिख सकते हो, हाफ 1/2 रूट. ओके, बिकॉज यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ रूट एक्स जो होता है वो 1/2 रूट एक्स ही आता है. सो वो लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, अथर्व, some people came at 2 o'clock. Again, few people had come back at 2 o'clock. I was taking class and they suddenly came. And now some people are coming 1 hour late. So some people came 2 hours early. Some people came 2 hours late. It's awesome. असं कसं झालं? ओके, तो ये जो हाफ है ना, ये तुम इधर डायरेक्ट लिख लो. सो आई हैव रिटन दिस हाफ ओवर हियर. Okay, this half I have written over here. Now into, now what should you do? Now for a moment imagine all this root sign is gone. Okay, imagine करो ये root sign चले गया है. तो ये जो terms है, हम लोग ने अभी जो टेक्निक सीखा वही करने वाले. इसका पावर क्या है? 2 लिखो, divided by 7 minus 3x into, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? d by dx of 7 minus 3x, 7 minus 3x, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 7 तो 0 है, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 3x आ जाएगा 3, because 3 into d by dx of x is 1, so it's 0 minus 3 which is minus 3. So इसका डेरिवेटिव आ गया minus 3. Okay, make sure you're writing all these things. Okay, of course the recording is available to you, everything is true, but still it's always good you write in your book. Okay, you will forget, the books don't forget. Okay, जो लिखा जाता है वो भूला नहीं जाता. Okay, you can see it after 10 years also and it will still be there. It's, oh, that's how you do it. Recording किधर ढूंढोगे 10 साल के बाद? Okay, you'll say, why will I require it after 10 years? That's the different question. So now the next one. Okay, ये numerator में ये 5, so power positive ही रहेगा, plus 5, unless it was minus 5 only over there. Okay, so 5 divided by, it will be the term जो है उसके जैसा उधर ही लिख लो, 2 plus 7x. And the derivative of 2 plus 7x, d by dx of 2 plus 7x is 0 plus 7 into 1 which is 7. So उससे multiply करो into 7. And then this is power is 4. So we write the power 4 but it's in the denominator. So it will be minus 4. Okay, minus 4 upon the term as, so I'll write it here, minus 4 upon 5x plus 8. And into d by dx of 5x plus 8, d by dx of 5x plus 8 is 5 into 1 plus 0 which is 5. So it's into 5 and this is job is done, the answer is done. Okay, oh अभी बचा है वो 3 into minus 2 minus 6 7 into 5 35 5 into 4 minus 20. That's done, it's over, that problem is only done. Okay, so it looks very complicated but you can do it very very simple. ठीक है, so that's the shortcut for it, right? So ये हो गया parametric, no not parametric, this is what you say logarithmic differentiation. Now the x raised to x and वो जो problems है I'll try and do it little later क्योंकि वो इसके साथ मुझे साथ में नहीं रखना है तो confusion हो जाएगा. Okay, so I don't want to keep it right now. Let's see, feel like doing it, I'll do it. Okay, now the next is parametric equations. Now why am I teaching everything in one go? Because नहीं तो हम लोग को exercise कर नहीं सकेंगे. Okay, तो parametric equations. Now what are parametric equations? So suppose there is something called as parameters, in the sense, like, how do I explain your parameters? See, sometimes one variable x can be written as a into t square, okay, and y can be written as say 2at. तो अभी ये जो एक्स एंड वाई है, इनके बीच में हम लोग एक रिलेशन डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं, विच इज वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4ax. if you do that squaring on the y square, you will get 4a square t square, and if you multiply 4a into at square, you will get 4a square t square. So this is a relation that's been described by two different terms, like x is talking in terms of t, y is talking in terms of t, and you are getting a relation between y and x. तो ये जो t है, इसको हम लोग पैरामीटर बोलते हैं. Okay, parametric equations are of high importance in science, very very high importance in science, पूरा, or higher mathematics functions only on parameters. Okay, तो उसमें बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, बट दिस इज वन पैरामीटर, इट डील्स विद द इक्वेशन. तो ये जो है x इज इक्वल टू 80 स्क्वायर, y इज इक्वल टू 280, हमको ऐसे दो इक्वेशंस दिया रहता है, एंड दे आस्क अस टू फाइंड dy by dx. they ask us what is dy by dx. so it is very simple, इसमें ज्यादा कुछ सीखने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. you have to just find it as dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that's all. ओके, तो एक dy by dt ढूंढना है, न्यूमरेटर में डालना है, dx by dt ढूंढना है, डिनोमिनेटर में डालना है. दैट्स द आंसर. सो इफ आई डू दिस ओवर हियर, आई विल गेट dx by dt मेरा कितना आएगा? इट विल बी d by dt of at square. तो a is obviously constant over here because variable t है. ये dt जब आ जाता है, उसका मतलब है t is the variable. So this is a into d by dt of t square. Okay, I hope you all are not gone off to sleep. मैं थोड़ा fast भी जा रहा हूँ, I am aware of it, but it's okay at times. So it's a into d by dt of t square, which is 2t. Okay, so this is 2at. So dx by dt मेरा आंसर आता है 2at. Now we'll find what is dy by dt. तो dy by dt आएगा d by dt of 2at, because y is given to us as 2at. So this will be equal to 2a into d by dt of t, and this is 2a, and it's like d by dx of x. So it's d by dt of t, which is 1. So this answer comes as 2a. So जो मेरा क्वेश्चन था dy by dx, it is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. तो dy by dt का वैल्यू आ गया है 2a. So I get this as 2a, and dx by dt has been found out to be 2at. So it's 2a upon 2at. So 2a to a cancels, and I get 1 by t. Okay, that's the answer. So this is the procedure to find parametric equations. So parametric equations दिया रहेगा, तो it's very simple. There's nothing really new you have to do. Separately ढूंढ के वापस substitute कर लेना है. That's all. Okay. So if they ask you dx by dy, for example, dx by dy, then find it as dx by dt divided by dy by dt. तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. dx by dt जो ढूंढा था तुमने 2at इधर आ जाएगा, and dy by dt 2a, तो इधर आएगा, ये कैंसिल होकर आंसर t आ जाएगा. So no issues for us. Okay, so that's called as parametric equations. That t is called as the parameter. Okay, so ये roughly तुम्हारा derivatives chapter है. Now what we will do is we'll do the problems. Okay, हम लोग जो exercise 8 है उसमें के problems कर लेंगे. I don't think we'll be able to finish all. We are not in that much hurry. Okay, we are not in that much hurry, लेकिन हम लोग कर लेंगे. तो मुझे किसने भेजा था? सूरज सर ने बुक भेजा था. सूरज सर किधर है? यस, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. तो अभी हम लोग थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो सकते हैं. मेजर सिखा दिया, नहीं समझा पूछ लेना, उसमें क्या है. ओके, पूछना ही तो है तुमको, करेक्ट ना? ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज आस्क. ये नहीं समझा, वो नहीं समझा, एंड सो ऑन. सो when we start exercise 8a, we have done the first, second, third we did, fourth one also we did, right? Or no, fourth we have to do. सो लेट्स डू द फोर्थ वन. ओके, थोड़ा सा पिछला रिवीजन हो जाएगा प्लस अभी का वापस. ओके, सो लेट्स डू द फोर्थ वन. एक्चुअली हम लोग ने एक प्रॉब्लम किया फोर्थ में, जो प्रॉब्लम है ना उसी टाइप का एक हम लोग ने किया आंसर, बट लेट्स डू दिस. So they have given us f of x is equal to, I'll write the question and I'll wait for 1 minute so that you all gather your breath. F of x is equal to e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. What is f dash x? Okay, and the options, I'll write the options. What are the options? They are given e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. The second option B is given as e raised to ax square plus bx plus c into twice ax plus b, and the third option is 2ax plus b, and I believe D will be none of these, NOT. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute breather space because you need it. Okay, इतना फास्ट भी जाने में कुछ मजा नहीं, तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग को शांत कर लो. That time I'll get water for myself. Water everywhere. We have to finish the whole thing in 5 hours. That's what Suraj sir told me. तो 5 घंटे में अगर खत्म करना है तो इसलिए स्पीड ले लिया मैंने. How many of your offline colleges have started? Indira, I know, has started. Others? Symbiosis, has it started? No, no one knows. Vaishnavis has started. Mine started. Dipti, Urvi, Krishna, Pava. Good. So you all are going to college or no? Or you stay at home only? Okay, that's good. Good. No, as we have option. And why you're sitting at home? The Symbiosis will start someday. Okay. जनक राजे सूर्यवंशी. चलो अपने घर एक सूर्यवंशी है, अच्छी बात है. Okay, let's come back to this topic. Okay, so now f of x is equal to e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. हमको f dash x ढूंढना है. Okay, तो ये हम लोग ने मॉर्निंग में एक ऐसे ही प्रॉब्लम किया. समवेयर लेटर ऑन इट वाज 20th प्रॉब्लम. उसको मुझे सिर्फ वो ये पार्ट याद है, 6x minus 5 कुछ तो आया था. तो इट्स द सेम काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. तो इसको क्या करना है, डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ ई रेज टू एक्स कितना होता है, d by dx of e raised to x will be e raised to x only. So in this case it will be the same value, e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. ये e raised to x ही होता है. So you'll have e raised to x square plus bx plus c, and then I told you हमको बर्गर खाना है, so it's d by dx of ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी। ये x जब भी किसी दूसरे से रिप्लेस हो जाता है उसका भी इट बिकम्स योर बर्गर, सो यू हैव टू ईट इट। Okay, that x, the moment it gets replaced by anything else, you have to take that one's derivative again. Sub formulas mein, okay, every formula, the moment it gets replaced by some other value, you have to take its derivative. अभी इसका derivative कितना आएगा? So d by dx of ax square, so that's a into d by dx of x square, which is 2x. And d by dx of bx, so b is constant into d by dx of x, which is 1 plus 0. तो ये होने वाला है 2ax plus b, यानी कि we are going to have 2x plus b, we are going to have e raised to ax square plus bx plus c, and you can literally do this orally, यानी कि ये आंसर ये आने वाला है। ओके, इधर सिर्फ ये है, देयर इज नो बर्गर ने खाया, इसने सिर्फ पाव खाया और पैसा देके आ गया 50 रुपया। ओके, ही so whoever this person was, so he only ate the bread and burger he left। मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता तो उसने ब्रेड उधर ही छोड़ दिया, अपना बर्गर उधर ही छोड़ दिया, पाव का 50 रुपया 100 रुपया 200 रुपया देके आ गया। so if he ate from king burger, he paid the 100 rupees 200 rupees and he just ate the bread and came back। okay, this person is like us, bread and burger दोनों खा के आ गए। this is a very diet conscious somebody, so उसने सिर्फ बर्गर का खाया, and then this is the total fasting pay, none of this। okay, तो that's how we get this answer। तो हो गया, आराम से बैठे बैठे आंसर आ गया, हमको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा, कुछ नहीं, ऐसे आ गया। Sixth one we had already done, seventh one, now we can do the seventh one। now see that question, the gradient of the curve y minus xy plus 2px plus 3qy equal to 0 at the point 32, at the point 32 is minus 2 by 3, so they have given this is minus 2 by 3, the values of p and q are, so what are the values of p and q? तो अभी gradient बोल रहे हैं, यानी कि dy by dx ढूंढना पड़ेगा, so we'll have to find the values of dy by dx। तो अभी dy by dx कैसे ढूंढेंगे? this is implicit function, ये implicit function है। ओके, तो हम लोग ने अब भी सीखा क्या करना है, dy by dx लिखना है। ओके, everything is on left hand side, so no need to worry। then you write minus sign, माइनस साइन लिख लिया, डिनोमिनेटर लाइन भाई बहन को बुलाया, थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड के है, वो लोग ने इतना हमारा काम करके दे दिया। अभी फर्स्ट द डेरिवेटिव इन द न्यूमरेटर जब लेते हैं तो y कांस्टेंट होता है एंड वी टेक इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ d by dx बट टेकिंग y एज कांस्टेंट। सो अगर ये वो कांस्टेंट है तो ये तो जीरो आ जाएगा। ओके, अगेन माइनस साइन, ओके, and this is y is constant, so it will come outside and d by dx of x will be 1, so y into 1 plus 2px, so this is 2p into d by dx of x, so that will be 2p only। okay, and y is a constant, so q is a constant, 3 is a constant, तो ये पूरा का पूरा constant ही है, so ये 0 आ जाएगा। okay, in the denominator we have to take the derivative with respect to y, d by dy लेना है, and you have to keep x as constant। so with x as constant, तो ये d by dy of y, that answer will be 1 minus, here x is constant, तो x बाहर आ जाएगा, and d by dy of y is 1, so it will be x into 1 plus 2px, तो ये पूरा का पूरा कांस्टेंट है, बिकॉज 2p कांस्टेंट है, x कांस्टेंट है, सो इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 आ जाएगा, प्लस d by dy of 3qy, 3q is constant and d by dy of y is 1, so ये आ गया, so ये आंसर आ गया माइनस ऑफ y plus 2p divided by 1 minus x plus 3q, correct, right, 1 minus x plus 3q, that's right, and minus sign बाद लिया। this is what I have got dy by dx। what they are saying is this is equal to minus 2 by 3 when When is it minus 2 by 3? When x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. That is this. At x equal to 3 by 2 is minus 2 by 3. So we will substitute x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So when we substitute, you will get 3, and then not 3, 2 plus 2p divided by 1 minus x is 3 plus 2 plus 3 cube. Okay, y is 2 plus 2p, x is 3, so 1 minus 3 plus 3 cube is minus 2 by 3. So minus and minus sign cancels. Okay, now 1 minus 3 becomes minus 2 in the denominator plus 3 cube, and this I can take it as 2 into 1 plus p brackets, which is equal to 2 by 3. So again this 2 and 2 will cancel. So what we get is 3 plus 3p, cross multiply, 3 plus 3p is minus 2 plus 3 cube. Okay, so therefore 3p minus 3 cube is minus 2 minus 3, and so therefore 3 into p minus q is equal to minus 5, and so p minus q is minus 5 by 3, is minus 5 by 3. This is one equation we have got. Okay, now इसका और कुछ condition दिया है क्या लोग ने? Is there any condition? The curve, the gradient of the curve y minus this equal to 0 at the point 3 2 is minus 2 by 3. The values of p and q are, तो अभी p and q के जो कोई भी वैल्यूज रहेंगे वो ये इक्वेशन तो सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. सो इफ यू टेक हाफ एंड हाफ, तो हाफ माइनस हाफ तो जीरो आता है. इट डजंट बिकम माइनस 5 by 3, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. सो वो नहीं होने वाला है. 2 and 2 भी नहीं होगा. माइनस हाफ एंड माइनस हाफ भी नहीं आएगा सी, बिकॉज माइनस हाफ माइनस ऑफ माइनस हाफ ये भी आएगा जीरो. सो ये भी नहीं आने वाला है. So D 1/2 minus 1/6. So we'll have to check. So इसका LCM है 6, right? And this will be 3. But ये तो अलग आ रहा है. 2 into 3. So 3 minus 1. This is giving you 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. Something is wrong with this question. Okay, इनका values कुछ तो गलत हो गया. But I believe the answer will be D. Okay, इनका जो कुछ देख के लग रहा है आंसर D है, because P minus Q कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू तो आ रहा है. 3P minus 3Q is minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. That's all right. I've got minus 2 plus 3Q. That's fine. 3 plus 3P. Maybe we have done a silly mistake, और इनका क्वेश्चन का जो लास्ट ऑप्शंस जो दिए हैं that should have been something else. It shouldn't have been half and 1 by 6. It should have been something else. Okay, so that's the error. But answer is going to be D, because पहले तीन तो है नहीं पक्का है. Okay, वो half half 2 2 minus half आने नहीं वाले. D is the one that should have come, but तो आ नहीं रहा है, because we are getting minus 5 by 3, whereas when you do half minus 1 by 6, when you do that, you are actually getting 3 minus 1 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. एक्चुअल आंसर आना चाहिए था minus 5 by 3. सो उनका शायद देने में गलत हुआ है, या मे बी इट इज प्लस होना चाहिए था. समथिंग मस्ट बी देयर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट. ओके, समथिंग इज मिसिंग, और वी मस्ट हैव डन सम सिली मिस्टेक. ऊपर हमारा कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो गया रहेगा. समथिंग वेरी, एक्स एंड वाई सब्स्टिट्यूशन में कुछ तो गलत हो गया रहेगा. या दिस वैल्यू जो 3 by 2 एट पॉइंट 3 by 2 इज इक्वल टू minus 2 by 3 दिया है, ये गलत रहेगा. Okay, so some problem should be there. Anyone knows what the answer is? Is it D only? It has to be D only. I'll check it later on, because I didn't see it. मैं कभी देखा नहीं इसको कि ये क्या है. So has anyone seen the answer? It should be D. That's obvious. Okay, so I'll still check it, उसमें कुछ problem है क्या, but as of now that's the answer. If I were in your place, I'll mark D and go, because ABC नहीं है पक्का है.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, your voice is breaking.
it's breaking
Like,
now also.
yeah,
Okay, I'll
yeah.
do one thing. I'll connect to this one. Wait, I'll connect to Airtel. उसको मैं वो रह गया मेरा करना. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Anyone found out this answer? इसका आंसर क्या है? D है इसका आंसर.
Yes, sir.
D. Okay. Though we didn't get it properly, oh, there's some mistake in the book. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, that's done. Seventh problem done. Okay, eighth problem. Eighth problem. Now is my voice clear? Is my voice clear now?
Yes,
Okay. वो वोडाफोन
yes.
बीच में से हो जाता है ऐसे. Okay. The curve y square equal to ux cube plus v. Y square is equal to ux cube plus v passes through the point P 2 3. Okay. And dy by dx is equal to 4 at P. This is given information. The values of u and v are. So what will be those values? So same thing. This is still implicit function now. Okay, ये implicit function ही है. So implicit function है bring everything on left hand side. Y square minus ux cube plus not plus minus v is equal to 0. Okay, so अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव ढूंढना है. So what we do? We find dy by dx. Then we write minus sign. Then we write this denominator line, and we consider d by dx considering y as constant. In the numerator, we find d by dy considering x as constant. This is what we do. So first is the numerator y square. तो y is constant, तो ये टर्म का डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 0 माइनस इसका वैल्यू आ जाएगा माइनस u is a constant and into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Okay, v is a constant, so there's nothing over there, minus 0. Then the denominator d by dy, so derivative of y square will be 2y minus u is a constant, but in the denominator x cube is also constant, so this whole thing becomes 0. Okay, and this one is also 0. Okay, so that will be equal to 0. Now अगर ये आ गया तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा दिस वन माइनस एंड दिस इज माइनस 3ux स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2y. सो ये फाइनल आंसर बन जाता है 3ux square upon 2y, minus into minus plus. Okay, so now see what I've got is dy by dx is equal to 3ux square upon 2y. Now if that's the case, if that is the case, then we have been told dy by dx is 4. So 3ux square upon 2y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 at p to 3. Okay, they're saying at p, that is at when x is 2 and y is 3. This 3ux square upon 2y is 4. So substitute this value. So it will be 3 into 3u into 2 square. X is 2. So 2 square upon 2 into 3 is equal to 4. So 3 and 3 cancels. Okay, and so therefore you will have 4u upon 2 is equal to 4. So 4 and 4 also cancels. This implies u is equal to 2. तो अभी हम लोग हमारा ऑप्शंस देखेंगे. u is equal to 2 कितने लोग हैं? a है u is equal to 2, b is there u is equal to 2, c is u is equal to minus 2 and d is 0 minus 1. तो c और d तो हमारे आंसर्स है नहीं. सो हमारे आंसर्स या तो ए है या फिर बी है. अभी इसमें से कौन सा है? हाउ डू वी फाइंड इट आउट? विच वन इज द केस? ओके, सो सी वी हैव द कर्व गिवन टू अस इज y square is equal to u into x cube plus v. So when x,
Sir,
yeah,
your voice is started breaking again.
again breaking. Okay, that's network problem. That means everyone, its voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what should I do? I'll wait for 1 minute. For Apeksha, it's not breaking. So there's a network problem somewhere. Okay, either on my side or your side. But अगर अपेक्षा को ठीक से सुनाई दे रहा है, that means probably not on my side. Even Isha, it's not. So do one thing. There are 3 4 people have said my voice is not cracking. So do one thing. जिनको जिनको हो रहा है ना, just disconnect and come back again. Just just disconnect and come back immediately. We'll wait for you 1 minute. 1 2 minutes. We'll wait. कम बैक अगेन, नहीं तो चले जाएंगे। गुल हो गए, सर ने बोला चले जाओ, चले गए। अरे people have left, they have not come again. That is funny. It's like playing cookie. Okay, Sahi has come back. 5 6 people left. We'll wait 2 minutes. Me also. Vaishnavi has come back. It's 5:40. We'll wait till 5:41 for people to join in. Okay, till that time, everyone is understanding. Anyone has any big issue, problem? Science students, Aishwarya, understood? Is she there or no? Yes, she's there. Okay, understanding, sir. Others, Vaishnavi, Arjun.
Understand.
Okay, Vinay, Isha, Tejal. Okay. And then others also whose names I can't see over here. And Sai, so her name I'll remember now. I was talking with her for 5 minutes. So I'll remember her name. Okay, so I believe everyone is understanding. Those whom I cannot see also, those names I can't see. I will be able to see if I want, but whatever the situation. Now, okay, so let's start. I hope those who were left have come back again. Okay, if not, the recording is there. It's 5:40, so that means after 1 hour 40 minutes. You can note down the timing. 1 hour 40 minutes के बाद ये problem आया था. Okay, so y square is equal to u into x cube plus v. That's what we have been told. And what we have been told also that x is equal to 2 when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. It passes through that point 2 3. dy by dx is 4. That time we have found out that u is equal to 2. तो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहे, तो मैं ये इसको इस पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दूंगा. सो y square is 3 square is equal to u which is 2, x is 2 cube plus v. So 3 square is 9 and this is 8 into 2 is 16 plus v. So v will be equal to 9 minus 16, which is minus 7. So the option is which one? B. Okay, the option will be B. U is equal to 2, v is minus 7. ठीक है. Then the next one is 10th one. 10th one is if xy is 1, then they are asking you how much is y square plus dy by dx equal to. So xy is 1. So see, if xy is 1, then y is equal to 1 by x. Okay, xy अगर 1 है तो y is 1 by x. So what is dy by dx? It is d by dx of 1 by x, which is minus 1 by x square. Okay, तो अभी ये इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो वैल्यूज. y is 1 by x the whole square and dy by dx is minus 1 by x square. So this is 1 by x square minus 1 by x square, which is 0. Finished. So the answer will be 0, that is B. Okay, this also the answer is B. 10th problem. Then the 11th problem. 11th one, the derivative of the function root of x plus root x is. Now don't do that logarithmic differentiation method here because ये plus sign है. Okay, plus sign को नहीं करते. If it is x into, if it was like this, root of x plus root x into x minus cube root of x, then it's different. बट x प्लस रूट एक्स इसको नहीं करना है. ओके, तो इसको डेरिवेटिव कैसे लेते हैं? विल कॉल दिस इज y एंड विल से dy by dx इज इक्वल टू d by dx ऑफ रूट x प्लस रूट x. जो दिया है वैसे के वैसे लिखा है. अभी हमको पता है d by dx ऑफ रूट x जो होता है, वी हैव सीन दिस, d by dx ऑफ रूट x जो होता है वो 1 by 2 रूट x होता है. तो इधर x के जगह पे कोई तो दूसरे लोग आ गए. ओके, सो वी हैव दैट इंफॉर्मेशन नाउ. सो इट विल बी 1/2 इंटू रूट ऑफ x प्लस रूट x. बट ये कोई लोग आ गए मीन्स कौन आ गया? बर्गर आ गया. पाव के बीच में ये बर्गर पार्ट आ गया है. सो इट्स d by dx ऑफ x प्लस रूट x. ओके, विच विल बी इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू रूट ऑफ x प्लस रूट x इंटू d by dx of x is 1 and d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. तभी हमको सिर्फ हमारा आंसर कंपेयर करना है. तो फर्स्ट वन तो नहीं लग रहा है, तो आई थिंक विल हैव टू चेक द B1, 1 प्लस 1 by 2 root x, ये भी नहीं रहेगा. C लग रहा है, करेक्ट ना? 1/2 इंटू रूट ऑफ x प्लस रूट x इंटू 1 प्लस 1 by 2 root x. तो ये आंसर आ गया हमारा. So the answer is C. Okay, it doesn't take much time. It's only the thing is थोड़ा सा मालूम रहना चाहिए. Very very easy questions. Okay, that's done. 12th one. So we won't finish this today. That's for sure. तो अभी हम लोग स्लो जा सकते हैं कि खत्म होने नहीं वाला है 6 बजे तक. So we can go little slow. I will go slow now because उसको कुछ खत्म नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, so tomorrow we will try and do 1 more hour इसमें derivatives, and then we'll do basics of integration, and then whenever we get the next time sir gives me, I give him, all things put together, we'll be able to solve the problems. Okay, so e raised to minus xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. dy by dx can proved to be equal to, बेसिकली मतलब क्या है? dy by dx ढूंढो. ओके, इसमें से क्या है? dy by dx ढूंढो. तो ढूंढेंगे हम लोग. तो दिस इज अगेन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन. ओके, इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन है तो इसका डेरिवेटिव हमको ढूंढना है, बट इसको हम लोग थोड़ा सा इजी काम कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी, I can take this derivative directly, e raised to minus xy and all those things, okay? But if you see the options that are given to you, if you see those options that are given to you, उसमें e raised to xy किधर भी नहीं है, e raised to xy आ ही नहीं रहा है किधर भी. Okay, that shouldn't happen because d by dx of e raised to x e raised to x होता है. तो ये किधर तो गुल हो रहा है, यानी कि लोग ने कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है. वो गड़बड़ क्या है? They have done e raised to minus xy to be equal to 4xy, and then they took logarithms over here. So it's log e raised to minus xy वो लोग ने कर लिया is equal to log of 4xy. The fact, looking at those answers, you will recognize कि ये लोग ने e raised to को e raised to xy को गुल किया. तो गुल कैसे कर सकते हैं? By taking log. Okay. Now this is log a raised to m. Log a raised to m is m log a. तो इसको भी हम लोग लिखेंगे minus xy log e. And I told you in the morning log e is 1. So ये आ जाएगा minus xy is equal to log 4 plus log x plus log y. Okay, ये आ गया हमारा equation. So we will have this as minus xy minus log x minus log y minus log 4 is equal to 0. That is our procedure because ये implicit function है. तो implicit function है, so I have taken it all on the left hand side. अभी इसका derivative निकालना है. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, we called a brother sister, वो लोग ने माइनस साइन लिख दिया, ये डिनोमिनेटर का लाइन लिख दिया. अभी हमारा काम है. So in the numerator we take the derivative with respect to x, we consider y to be constant. In the denominator we find d by dy, we consider x to be constant. Okay, so ये माइनस हो गया. अभी इधर y constant है तो y बाहर, something happened, that one note went off. Wait. हाँ, so ये y कांस्टेंट है तो y को हम लोग लिख लेंगे एंड d by dx of x जो है वो 1 है. So y into 1 माइनस, ओके, बट ये माइनस है, इधर माइनस एक्स वाई था तो ये माइनस हमारा माइनस है, ये माइनस y into 1 इनका माइनस है. Then minus d by dx of log x, so it will be 1 by x. ये log y is a constant, so ये 0 आएगा, minus 0. log 4 constant है, so 0 आएगा. Okay, divided by, now we have to find d by dy considering x is constant. This one note is hanging now. वो थक गया मेरा one note, computer मेरा थक गया. You all are very patient. You all didn't get tired till now, but my computer is tired now. It's saying बस हो गया. कितने बार वही कर रहे हैं. Okay, so d by dy हमको ढूंढना है with x as constant. तो x constant है तो minus x आ जाएगा. d by dy of y is 1, so it's minus x into 1. d by dx of log x, तो इधर x constant है तो x का डेरिवेटिव इधर का आ जाएगा 0, so minus 0 minus d by dy of log y is 1 by y and d by dy of log 4 constant है, so 0. तो ये आ गया इधर. ओके, सो ये अभी बच जाएगा, दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस एंड लेट्स राइट द वैल्यूज. दिस इज माइनस y minus 1 by x divided by minus x minus 1 by y. So what will happen is this minus sign will come out, ये minus sign और ये minus sign बाहर आ जाएगा. This will become plus, so it will become, ये plus हो जाएगा y plus 1 by x divided by, ये minus sign बाहर आ जाएगा and this will become x plus 1 by y. Okay, so that this will become xy plus 1 upon x and this will become minus of xy plus 1 upon y. Okay, तो माइनस साइन रह जाता है माइनस एंड नाउ दिस इज एक्स वाई प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स इंटू वाई अपॉन एक्स वाई प्लस 1. तो एक्स वाई प्लस 1 एक्स वाई प्लस 1 कैंसिल हो गया, बचा है y अपॉन x. So this should be the answer, minus y by x. तो ये कौन सा है? Where is the question gone? First one, na? Minus y by x. So that's the answer. Simple. Okay, so see that shortcut method will save you a lot. नहीं तो ये तुम करते बैठोगे e raised to minus 4xy and all becomes very difficult. You will say what if we do it directly e raised to minus 4xy? वो भी करके देखते हैं. I'll show you how that is also done. E raised to minus xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. Have I copied the question correct? Yes. तो प्रोसीजर टू लार्ज एक्सटेंट सेम. dy by dx is equal to minus derivative of e raised to minus xy. So it is e raised to minus xy. I told you इसके जगह पे कुछ भी आएगा तो you have to take its derivative again. बर्गर लेना पड़ेगा. d by dx of xy. So d by dx of xy, तो ये y कांस्टेंट है इधर न्यूमरेटर में. So y बाहर आ जाएगा. So it will be y. So I'll write it like this: e raised to minus xy into y into d by dx of x. तो ये 1 है. So ये सिर्फ इतना ही आएगा. Minus y is constant, so minus 4y into d by dx of x, which is 1. Okay, divided by, it will be e raised to minus xy, and now x is constant. So you will have e raised to minus xy into d by dx of xy with x is constant. So it will be e raised to minus xy into x into d by dy of y. This is dy. So that will be only this much into x minus, and now x is constant, so it's 4x into 1. Now this is the problem when you solve it like this. Okay, ये तुमको समझ में नहीं आएगा इधर से करना क्या है. You can solve from here, but you won't recognize it quickly. इधर से क्या करना पड़ेगा? e raised to x minus xy है ना, तो it's e raised to minus xy. You will have to substitute is equal to 4xy from this equation. So when you do that, you will get minus of 4xy into y minus 4y divided by 4xy into x minus 4x. So अभी इसमें से क्या कॉमन आएगा? You will get 4 common, you will get y common. Okay, in the numerator 4y common आ जाएगा, and you will be left with xy minus 1. Okay, and in the denominator you will have again 4x common, and you will be left with is xy minus 1. तो ये xy minus 1 xy minus 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 4 and 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आंसर minus y by x आएगा. So this is little bit, तुमको याद रखना पड़ेगा कि ये सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. If you don't catch that substitution, तुम्हारा आंसर ऐसा आ जाएगा, and this answer you won't be able to then deal with anything. फिर मटका मारना पड़ेगा. Okay, so just be aware of this method also. Both the options are okay. Okay, I have bored you today. First day we have met and I bored you to the max. Okay, that's good. That's a medal on my shoulders. What to do? मैं भी कुछ कर नहीं सकता हूँ. Okay, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोर करना पड़ता है. मेरे पास options ही उतने कम हैं. If we had 10 days, then it was different. Then I would have done 10 problems a day. Then we would have finished in 10 days. So एक घंटा रोज का हमारा हो जाता था. But we don't have that time. Okay, so the 13th one. 13th one, you are given x square. So probably the last question. X square upon a square minus y square upon b square. दिवाली का टाइम है, लोगों को इतना निराश नहीं करना है मुझे. So x square upon a square minus y square upon a square only. It is not b square also. So a square is equal to 1. dy by dx can be expressed as, dy by dx can be expressed as, so no problem, this is x square minus y square upon a square, which is 1. So therefore ये हो जाएगा x square minus y square is equal to a square. Okay, तो हमको अभी पता है इसको क्या करना है. x square minus y square minus a square is equal to 0. And dy by dx implicit function है, dy by dx is minus, and this first the derivative d by dx, keep y constant. So d by dx of x square is 2x. Okay, d by dx of y square will be 0. because it's a constant. So minus 0. Derivative of a square, 0, constant है. In the denominator, you have to find d by dy, keeping x as constant. याद रखो, न्यूमरेटर में y कांस्टेंट, डिनोमिनेटर में x कांस्टेंट, एंड यू फाइंड एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट. y कांस्टेंट है तो यू फाइंड d by dx, x कांस्टेंट है तो यू फाइंड d by dy. सो इधर x इज कांस्टेंट, सो x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 0 आ जाएगा. y square, so minus 2y, and minus a square minus 0. So this becomes minus 2x upon minus 2y. So minus minus sign cancels, 2 and 2 cancels, and you get is x by y. That's the answer. So you can express it as x by y. So the answer is A. Okay. बाकी का देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. A upon b x square upon a square. That's all. So that's done. So we'll do these problems tomorrow then अभी. ठीक है. ये 14, 15, 16, 17 ये कल कर लेंगे. You can see that 16th I already did actually. 16th one. X is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. dy by dx is calculated as, so we know it comes as dy by dt 2a upon 280 और cancel होके 1 upon t आंसर आता है उसका. Okay, so that option is C. I've already done that, C1. ठीक है. 16th one. Anyways, जो बचा कुछ problems है, parametric equations and so on, we will do them tomorrow. So tomorrow, what's the timing I have set up? I also forgot. Let me check with Surat sir. Just 1 minute. Let me just check what's the timing I had set in, because other classes are there. Sunday, so that's tomorrow, 9 to 11 we have, and then 12 to 2. Okay, so tomorrow 9 to 11 and 12 to 2. We'll do that. We will finish जितना होगा उतना कर लेंगे. Then more time लगता है हमको, तो वो हिसाब से कर लेंगे. Maybe 2 hours later on we will see. Okay, हो सकता है तो maybe after Diwali, I don't know what, however it is. But because 3rd to 13th I am not taking any class. Once 2nd November is over, so 3rd to 13th, so I am not taking any class. So whatever has to be done is Monday and Tuesday. If not, forget it. Okay, then after 13th we'll do. तो बचा कुछ इंटीग्रेशन रहेगा, थोड़ा सा कर लेंगे. तभी तक तुम डेरिवेटिव्स प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, या इफ वी कैन गेट मंडे 3 hours, ट्यूसडे 3 hours, तो कुछ तो कर लेंगे. ठीक है. इज दैट ओके? So I'll stop recording.